Ever thought about the impact of a lax vagina on one's sexual life? As curious as it sounds, it's a topic shrouded in societal pressure and misconceptions. Too many myths and not enough dialogue have left many in the dark. But today, we're shedding light on this intimate subject. We'll be speaking with healthcare professional, Dr. Upasana Vora, who will debunk the myths and provide some much-needed clarity. Let's dive into the facts about vaginal tightening with Dr. Upasana Vora. Dr. Upasana, thank you for joining us. It's a topic that needs light shed on it in the face of so much misinformation. Indeed, there are numerous myths surrounding the topic of vaginal laxity. For instance, many believe that the first sexual encounter after marriage should result in bleeding. This is a misconception rooted in outdated societal norms that have long since ceased to hold true. There's also the widespread belief that vaginal infections are solely the result of sexual activities or poor hygiene. However, the reality is far more complex. Factors such as hormonal changes, childbirth, and age can also contribute significantly to vaginal infections. Now let's touch on the subject of vaginal laxity and its impact on sexual satisfaction. It's undeniable that laxity can affect intimacy to some extent, but it's vital to keep in mind that sexual satisfaction is not the be-all and end-all of a successful relationship. There's a lot more to it than just the physical aspects. Dr. Upasana, would you care to elaborate on the natural remedies that could potentially help with vaginal laxity? Absolutely. Natural remedies can indeed be helpful. One such remedy is the use of banyan bark or fruit powder. You create a paste by mixing the powder with water. Apply it internally, and over time you can see noticeable results. However, it's crucial to follow the correct procedure, and always remember to consult a healthcare professional before trying out any such remedy. That's valuable advice. It's essential to be authentic and consistent in our approach when seeking results. Misinformation can lead to harmful consequences, so it's always better to be safe than sorry. In conclusion, open dialogue and informed decisions are crucial in addressing issues like vaginal tightening. By debunking myths and exploring effective solutions, we can empower individuals to take control of their sexual health and overall well-being. Authenticity and consistency are key when seeking results. Always consult a healthcare professional before trying any remedy. Let's summarize what we've learned today. We've delved into the topic of vaginal tightening, a subject often shrouded in mystery and misinformation. We've learned that it's not just about sexual satisfaction, but it also involves a variety of health issues that women face, often silently. We've debunked some common myths, one of them being that vaginal infections are solely due to sexual activities or poor hygiene. We now know that factors like hormonal changes, childbirth, and age also play a significant role. We've also addressed the concern of a lax vagina impacting one's sexual life. While it can affect intimacy, it's crucial to remember that sexual satisfaction isn't the only ingredient for a successful relationship. There's so much more to it. We've had the pleasure of hearing from Dr. Upasana Vora, who has shed light on the topic, offering her expert insight. She's shown us that natural remedies such as banyan bark or fruit powder can be effective when used correctly and consistently. But it's essential to remember the importance of consulting a healthcare professional before trying any remedy. In essence, today's discussion has emphasized the importance of open dialogue and informed decisions when it comes to issues like vaginal tightening. It's through these conversations that we can break down barriers, debunk myths, and bring light to subjects often left in the dark. By debunking myths and exploring effective solutions, we can empower individuals to take control of their sexual health and overall well-being.